Hello, my name is Jonathan Marshall, VP of Safety for P&S Transportation. The training that we will provide today will help you effectively communicate with operations, prevent hours of service violations, and improve the use of technology systems inside your tractor. Each tractor at PS Logistics has been assigned a tablet. This tablet provides numerous resources and apps that can help you operate more efficiently. Today we will primarily focus on the Samsara app. Samsara tracks your hours of service and provides status updates to the operations department. For everything to work properly, you must follow certain steps each day. I will go through a scenario with you to help you better understand the system. Let's pretend that you have delivered a load in Birmingham, Alabama on Thursday evening and you will be awaiting a load assignment, which will be sent on Friday morning. When you come off your 10-hour break on Friday morning, the first thing that you will need to do is to log out of the system and log back into the system. Once you log out of the system and back into the system, it will do two things. First, it will trigger any updates required for the Samsara app. Secondly, it will create a workflow. The first step will require you to certify any outstanding logs. This step must be taken each day or it will subject you to a violation under the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulation 395.30. After you have certified your logs, it will then ask you to enter a truck number. Start typing in your truck number and allow the system to populate the number prior to selecting and submitting. The third step would require you to view any unassigned drive time. Only accept this time if you accidentally logged out and drove the vehicle. If someone other than you drove the vehicle, do not accept the time and call the log department immediately. Now the system will ask for a trailer number and a shipment ID number. As you did with the tractor, allow the system to populate the trailer number prior to submitting. Next, you will enter the shipment ID number. Failure to enter a truck, trailer, and shipment number will subject you to a violation under Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulation 395.24. The final step of the workflow is to log into DriveWise. DriveWise is your scale bypass system and will help save you valuable time. One other function of DriveWise is to notify you of high-risk area. Please watch the DriveWise videos under the Opportunity tab for more information on this application. Once the correct truck is verified in DriveWise, use the arrow at the bottom of the screen to return to the Samsara Driver app. By completing these steps, the system is now ready to work efficiently and help you complete your day. It is time to go on duty, complete a pre-trip, and communicate with your dispatch about your next load. It is Friday morning and you have completed your workflow in Samsara. Your driver manager will send you an accepted load or load to review. If he sends you a load that you have already accepted, you will formally accept it in the system and the system will auto-populate the trailer and the bill of lading number for this load into your daily log. When the load assignment is sent, route added notification will appear. Click on this to see the new assignment. If the driver manager sends multiple loads or an unaccepted load, you will be required to accept or reject the load document. Once you click on Yes to accept, you will get a notification of the new assignment and accept. This triggers the trailer and bill of lading number to be entered into your daily log. In our example, we have received the accepted load and we click to see the new assignment. This load is showing picking up at BTTS in Birmingham, Alabama and delivering to the P&S yard in Inslee, Alabama. At this time, click on Route and navigate to the shipper. Note, if utilizing Copilot navigation and an upgrade is required, it will start a download of an upgrade to the system. As a general rule, Copilot should be used to assist you in developing a planned route to the destination. It is strongly recommended that you use other tools to complement this app. Other tools should include making a phone call to the shipper or receiver to get final directions for arrival, and also checking the Copilot navigational routes against your Atlas or personal GPS that is designed for a CMV travel. Starting your route will automate other features. Arrival at shipper should be automated based off geofence created in the system. Upon arrival at the shipper and when the driver stops the truck, the system will ask you to create a loaded shipper document. This document will ask for the following information: load number, which should auto-populate, inbound trailer number, which should also auto-populate. It will ask you, did you drop your trailer, yes or no? Then it will ask you for an outbound trailer. Specific information about the load will be asked, such as number of pieces and weight. Lastly, you can add some free-form content. Once you confirm that all the information populated and all entries were accepted, submit the document. You can now manually depart, or the system will depart you once you exit the geofence. Arriving at the consignee will also be automated based off the geofence of the area. Arrival detected will show up on the Samsara device. The only task that you will need to complete is submitting an empty call. An empty call will require you to enter the following information, in which some may be auto-populated: load number, inbound trailer. The system will ask, did you drop a trailer, yes or no? Outbound trailer. The system will ask, was a bill of lading signed, yes or no? Again, you will have an opportunity to enter notes. Once you confirm all the information populated and all entries were accepted, submit the document. Back out of the system and await your next load assignment. You have completed the workflow, and the same process will be repeated the next day. Great job. Before I leave you today, I wanted to mention a couple of tips to make sure you get the most out of your tablet. If you run both Copilot Navigation and Samsara Hours of Service systems simultaneously, make sure the volume is turned up on your tablet. You will lose visibility of your hours of service, and the Samsara audible notification should give you a warning 30 minutes prior to any violation. If you are dependent on Copilot to route you to the destination, please check the end address. Copilot sometimes routes to the city center instead of directly to the destination. Double check before arriving at your destination. If you are not getting scale bypass instructions, check to see if you inadvertently logged out of the DriveWise system. Remember, if you are ever unsure of the instructions, always pull into the scale. I hope this video helps you be more efficient when using the PS Logistics tablet. If you have any questions, please reach out to your safety team.